Bam.
This is an AMD Phenom CPU. It is a very old chip, but I didn't want to destroy my new chips, so this is the one we're using. I'm going to be teaching you how to mount a CPU. It starts off with, if you look and see all of the thousands of little pins, this is a, I believe it's PGA. This is a PGA style CPU. I may not be correct on that. I know it's LGA and something, but I believe the correct term is PGA. If you want to drop the camera down here. Okay. All right. And so to start off, there is a small golden triangle on one of the sides of the CPU. In the case where I have it, there's a small indented triangle in the corner of the board right here. You line up this triangle with that triangle and just gently drop it in. If it doesn't immediately go, give it a little bit of a wiggle, as it needs to fit in all the holes. Do not force it, you will kill your CPU. Next, drop the arm until it clicks into place and hold steady. This is steady. If you're working with an AMD system, I would recommend just going with your stock cooler. This is not a stock cooler. This is a cooler that came with the machine, if I'm being completely honest. Go with your stock cooler. It mounts a very similar way with a built-in bracket here and here. And you attach, you see a clip here and a clip here. Start off by routing this clip down on this side. If I can get it to work. Oh, obligatory thing. I don't have thermal paste. This computer does not work. You need to put thermal paste on working computers. Anyway, hook in your latch on this side, if you can see that, all hooked in. And then on this side, with it completely limp, just set it over the, set it over the other side's clip. Something like, if I can get it to work, something like that. Get it nice and in, and then pull this lever, preferably without dismounting it, into place. It will snap into place, and you have installed your CPU and CPU cooler. Next, plug it in. Pretty simple. And continue with your computer build.